Hey guys, it's Rose, and today I'm sharing an unboxing video for the Sassy Pants and Friends trio, Fairy Wings. This will be available not March, past March, May 1st, and will retail for $29.99, which includes US shipping. I'll have all the links down in the description. Now, let's go ahead and just dive right into this. This box is inspired by the artwork of fairy artist Amy Brown and is a collaboration between Sassy Pants Polish, Supernatural Lacquer, and Poetic Cowgirl Nail Polish. First thing in the box is 2 sticks of pixie sticks. How freaking perfect. I used to have like 10 packs of these at one time as a kid. Okay, fine. That was actually me like last week, but who doesn't love that sugar rush? Time to begin our polish unwrapping, aka the best part of any box. As you can see, there are 2 other goodies here, but I'll show you that later. Let's move all these crazy package wormies out of the way and get right into our polish. Okay, first one up is Poetry Cowgirl Nail Polish, and her contribution is called Frost Whisper. Okay, next one up is by Supernatural Lacquer, and it's called Eternal Ember. Last but not least is Sassy Pants Polish contribution, Blossom Dancer. One of the goodies included in this box is a cute fairy charm for your nails. Let me go ahead and try to zoom right in for a closer shot at it. And the other goodie is a bag of fairy dust. You can add these to your nail or to pretty much everything and be the flyest looking fairy in your neighborhood. That was so cheesy. Okay, I'll stop. And that is the Sassy Pants and Friends Fairy Wings box. There is a giveaway going on right now, so you can win your own before launch happens. Link down in the description box below. Now I'll go ahead and start my live swatching. This is Blossom Dancer by Sassy Pants Polish, and it's described as a dark pink jelly with pink and purple holographic and iridescent micro glitters and pink flakies. Now here is the first coat of Blossom Dancer. It's a bit sheer, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a second coat. Fully opaque in 2 coats, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a glossy top coat. Here is Frost Whisper by Poetry Cowgirl Nail Polish, and it's a soft icy blue pearl shimmer with subtle cyan blue, red shift, and hints of purple. Now here is 1 coat of Frost Whisper. This is also a bit on the sheer side, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat. Once that's dry, I'm just going to go in with a glossy top coat. Here is Eternal Ember by Supernatural Lacquer, and this is a jewel-toned purple jelly with bronze flakes, copper shimmer, and neon blue sparkle. Here is 1 coat of Eternal Ember. There's still some sheer spots that need to be covered, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat. After waiting for it to dry, I'm going to go in and apply a glossy top coat. And we're done, guys. That is the Fairy Wings Trio box. This will be available for purchase May 1st and will be $29.99, which again includes shipping in the US. I'll have all links down in the description. Don't forget to enter the giveaway for your chance to win one of these boxes for free. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you want to see more unboxing and live swatches. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of this box. Subscribe and show me some love so I can grow some fairy wings because that's totally how it works. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.